The topic of today's video is how to animate 3D objects in DaVinci Resolve. So here we are in DaVinci Resolve, and the first thing that you want to do is go to the Fusion panel. Alright, so here in the Fusion panel, you want to click on Control Space, I believe it is. And then it'll bring up this, and you want to type in Image Plane 3D. So that's the first tool we're going to use. Next tool that we're going to use is, again, Control Space. And we want to type in duplicate and choose duplicate 3D and add. And then we want to press Control Space again so we can add a transform 3D node. Jump back over to your duplicate and change this value here to 100. Change the offset value here to 0.002. And then we're done with our duplicate node. Here in the transform node, we're going to change our rotation to 360 and then just set a keyframe here. Make sure that it's at the beginning of the clip. Now let's press Control Space and add a renderer 3D. Make sure it's connected to the media out. Oh, one other thing that I forgot to mention is here in our transform 3D node, we just want to move all the way to the end of the clip and then change our 360 value to 0. Of course, you could animate this however you want. I just want to show you the spinning animation. I can't actually remember where I saw this from, so just figured I'd make a video. Thank you so much for watching. Do consider liking and subscribing, and I'll see you in the next one.